Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from Group F. Uh, my name is Farhad Irfansa as a moderator for today presentation. My member is Dewi Rindiani Lubis and Diva Amorita Triksi. So our material today is about signature enclosure or attachment. Okay, let's go into the first material. Will be explained by me. Okay, signature. Signature is the sign name or mark of the person writing the letter that the firm he represents. Signature is written by hand, but the sender of a letter must be clear and legible. It is written in ink immediately below the complimentary clause because signature is the distinguished mark of the one who use it. The same style must always be adopted. Okay, for example here, the person who is sending the letter is M.A. Webb. So Maurice A. Webb, M. Arthur Webb, Maurice Webb, and Arthur Webb must not be indiscriminately for the same person. If your correspondent sign is M.A. Webb, you must address him as such. So there is no improvisation in writing the signature because it must be clear and legible. Okay, in signature there are two nature of the signature. The first one is general. Only the original, which goes to the action address, must be signed. However, the original, all copies must have type or stamp signature line information below the signature. Last name appear in all capital letters with the exception of a last name beginning with a prefix. Okay, let's see the example here is Mr. J.A. Mr. Berti. The last name is we use all capital letters because that is the general one. Okay, the second one is signature lines. Okay, signature line is where we are start all lines of the signature line at the center of the page, beginning on the fourth line below the text. Signature line can be changed based on the signer preference. Add the signature line only when you are sure who will sign the correspondence. Okay, I think that's all from me for the first material. The next material will be explained by Dewi. To Dewi Rindiani Lubis, time is yours.
Okay, the next is, thank you moderator. The next is examples of signature lines. The first is when an activity head will sign the correspondence, the signature line is composed of only their name, such as signature, and in below is only the name. The next is when a principal subordinate authorized to sign by title, such as the chief of staff or deputy in a major command will sign the correspondence. Include their title as the second line of the signature line. Example is signature, next the name and the footy. The number 3 is when an individual has been formally appointed to temporarily replace the commanding officer or a subordinate who signed by title, include the term acting as the last line of the signature line. Example, signature, the next is the name, next deputy, and the last is acting. Number 4 is put the term by direction under the name of subordinate formally authorized to sign official correspondence, but not by their title. Example, signature, the next is the name, the last is by direction. And the last point is when the signatory is authorized to sign by direction and the correspondence will affect. Will affect pay and allowance. The signature line will include the signatory name, title, and the press by direction of the activity head. Insert the appropriately activity head title. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Dewi Rindiani Lubis. Okay, so the last part of our presentation today will be explained by the Diva Moritatrisi. To Diva Moritatrisi, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. In class or attachment. In professional correspondence, it might be necessary to include additional documents such as resume or graph. The search documents can be classmates, attachment, or enclosures when editing this document. Keep their inclusion and briefly state their purpose and list this formatting best practice allow the recipient to test additional material and set appropriate application. This practice applies to both physical and electronic correspondence. When sending a cover letter, as the word attachment at the bottom to index the document or document in class. Okay, back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Diva Moritatrisi, and this is our material for today. So this is are the reference that we use for making this presentation. You can see it by yourself. Okay, I think that's all for our presentation for today. If there are any mistake, we are sorry. And I will end it with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.